Umi friend, look! The Umi City calendar is blank!
All the clocks are stuck on the same time!
No time is passing! But wait! The street calendar is showing the wrong day and month! It needs the days of the week in order. Monday, Tuesday, what's next? The calendar needs the days of the week in order.
Monday, Tuesday, what's next?
After Tuesday comes Wednesday. And Geo, use your belt to project the missing days onto the calendar. Super shapes. Wednesday and Thursday. Created. Beep boop. Calendar pattern restored. Path clear. Now we key to the Chrono-Tower. The time core is inside. We have to be fast. The Chrono-Tower is just ahead, but the entrance is blocked. The tower entrance is blocked by frozen clock hands. We need to match the correct time.
They won't budge.
What time should it be? Bot is scanning. The big hand should be on the 12, the small hand on the 3.
Geo, use your power to move the hands to the correct positions.
Beep boop! Door open! Hurry! The gremlin is nearby!
This place is full of time. We have to find that gremlin.
The corridor floor is marked with time zones. We must only step on the one that says noon.
Noon. Following the time zone pattern.
Warning! Warning! The gremlin set a time trap. We must solve the elapsed time problem. The clock shows 7. The puzzle asks for the time. The time is 10. That's 3 hours after 7.
Geo, use your power to set the time to 10 on the puzzle clock.
Super shape. Time set to 10. Perfect. He is running up the time gears. We must follow the second sequence.
The gears are numbered from 60 down to 30. We must count backwards by 5.
Beep, 60, 55, 50, 45. Down, 30, 30. We are gaining on him. He's at the heart of the tower. The time core is protected by a frequency shield. It needs a time code. The shield is pulsing at specific rhythm. We need to break the target time is 8. Frozen time is 4.
What is 8 minus 4?
8 minus 4 equals 4. The code is 040. Milli, the frequency shield is down! Noun!
He faced the Chrono-Gremlin! He's throwing frozen moment discs! Watch out for the time stop!
The shield must spin at a perfect rhythm. Use my pattern power to set the tempo.
Shield spinning! His discs cannot break our perfect circle.
We need a precise time shape, a diamond that pulses every second. Geo, build it!
I need the dimensions.
Bot, give me the Now we need to power the shape with a counting sequence. Count every 10 seconds for a minute. 10, 20, 40. Fire the time diamond! Go, Umizoomi!
Math power! Attack! Direct hit!
The gremlin's time device is breaking! His stolen moments are returning! Time is moving again!
The gremlin is shrinking.
He cannot withstand the pure sequence power. The timeline needs the months in order. January, February, April. Sequence activation. May, June, July, August. Sequence complete. Look! All the clocks are running. Time is flowing perfectly. We saved the timeline using sequencing and time math. You helped us with every single time problem. You are the greatest hero. Let's celebrate! Umi City is safe. Always remember that time and patterns are everywhere.
Keep your eyes open for second minutes every day.
Beep boop. We will see you on our next super math mission. Bye-bye, Umi friend.
Beep boop. Farewell.
Always keep your Umi force strong. And keep counting the hours.
Beep boop.
Over and out. The park is buzzing with happy energy. Time is truly a wonderful thing. Look, the clock playground is working perfectly. This is so much fun. We're spinning with the clock.
The big hand is moving and the small hand is moving. Time is passing.
Look at the snack stand. They have time-themed treats.
I want a clock cookie and a sand timer lollipop.
These time treats are delicious.
Hey, let's go on the giant calendar slide. It looks super fast.
Warning, the entrance is blocked by... We need to arrange them in order. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We need to put them in the right sequence to open the slide. But, whoa! This calendar slide is awesome and so fast. We solved the day sequence and got the best slide. That was a fun trip down the calendar slide.
The pillows are all perfect squares and rectangles.
And there are so many dates.
Count.
Look, the water jets are making clock patterns.
The pattern is short minute, long hour, short minute, long hour.
What comes next? We use sequencing and elapsed time to save the timeline.
And we used pattern power to open the doors.
Beep boop. Time math saves the day. Time for our triumphant ride home. Bye-bye, park. Beep boop. Ready to drive. Let's go, team. Victory lap activated. Look at our beautiful city. Every Everything is in perfect time.
Beep boop. All systems safely landed.
We did it, team! We are the best!
Thank you for helping us solve the
Your
problem.
time math skills were super. Beep boop, you are the best.
Keep looking for sequencing and time problems all around you. And keep counting the minutes. Beep boop. Over and out. The Grand Clock Tower is ticking perfectly. Time is precious. Every second, every minute, working just right. Our garage calendar is updated. Today is a great day.
And my watch is showing the exact time. No more frozen moments.
Beep boop. My pattern power always helps us understand time's amazing sequences.
And my shape power can fix any broken clock or calendar.
What time will it be in 1 hour from now?
If it's 4 now, in 1 hour it will be 5.
Beep boop, correct. You're a time-solving expert.
From the smallest minute to the biggest month, every moment matters. And with your help, Umi City's time will all keep practicing your time math. It's an important skill for every day.
Telling time and understanding sequences is super fun.
Beep. We will see you on our next super math mission.
Bye-bye, Umi friend.
Beep boop, farewell.
Always keep your Umi force strong.
And keep counting the hours.
Beep boop.
Over and out.
The Grand Clock Tower is ticking perfectly. Time is precious.
Every second, every minute,
Working just right.
Beep. Our garage calendar is updated. Today is a great day. And my watch is showing the exact time. No more frozen. My pattern power always helps us understand time's amazing sequences. And my shape power can fix any broken clock or... What time will it be in 1 hour from now?
If it's 4 now, in 1 hour it will be 5.
Beep boop, correct. You're a time-solving expert.
From the smallest minute to the biggest month, every moment matters. And with your help, Umi City's time will always run perfectly. Keep practicing your time math. It's an important skill for every day.
Telling time and understanding sequences is super fun.
Beep boop. Thank you for all your amazing help.
You're a super time saver.
Beep boop. T-Umizoomi signing off.